Good morning. In this lecture series, we see about special cases, special category for the pyramid types. Okay, so here I have to show that there are three different types of position we have to solving the pyramid types of problem. Okay, so what are the positions? I tell the what is the names will be there. That is a standing on HP, resting on HP, lying on HP. Okay, so first of all, what is the meaning of standing on HP? By constructing the problem based on the condition, this is a normal method to solve the pyramid types. Okay, it's not look like it's complicated. Okay, it is a front view of the given solid. Okay, it's like a pyramid. Okay, so whenever you are to solving the pyramid types of numerical problem, when looking at the front view of the given solid, that is a pyramid type of category of problem. It look like a triangular shape. We are already discussing the pyramid type. We also shows the triangular shape, and the prism we get shows as the rectangular face. Okay, so that will be there in show it as a front view. The front view you have to represent as a FE. The FE name is called as front view, and it's called as a HP is called as a horizontal plane. And it's a simple understand the problem. That is mentioned the axis perpendicular to HP and parallel to P. That is a word will be there. Okay. So what is the next case is called as a resting on HP. So what is the resting on HP? It is what is the meaning is called as a any one of the base. Okay, that is the meaning. Any one of the base will be resting on HP. Okay, how to construct this? Okay, so while solving with the same method, we are also discussing standard standing on HP. The same cases will be that, but the axis getting inclined at a certain angle. That data will be given you in the problem. Okay, so based on the angle, you have to construct the triangle. Okay, so that is called as a one of the base of the circle. Okay, and is also called as the axis inclined to HP and a parallel to VP. That conditions will be there in the numerical problem. So that type of pyramid type we have to solve this method. Okay, let's we have to move in certain example for this one while solving numerical problems. Okay, so let's say the last the name is called as a lying on HP. So how to consider lying on HP means we have to different the slanting edge and the height of the pyramid. Okay, the slanting edge will be getting totally is a lying on HP, or rectangular face is getting lying on HP. That is called as a on one generators. Okay, they are mentioning as a generators. Okay, the generators will be there lying on HP that we are discussing in the numerical problems. Okay, is for easy to understand. Okay, so it's not an axis inclined to HP or parallel to VP. They are not mention the angle value. Okay, the only the one of the generators or a longer edge or rectangular face is lying on HP. The word is will be there. Okay, that understand the word you have to construct these types of problems. So let's move on the next one. It is called as a top view. Okay. So when the orientation of the position, or you have to place the solid very different position. Okay. The same cases we'll be discussing in the previous slide. That is the front view. Okay. So here we are to show the top view of the given pyramid. Okay. So that is a basic difference. Okay. So here also I got take as a three cases. That is standing on VP, then resting on VP, lying on VP. Okay. So while draw the diagram based on the standing on HP, how to construct this, that is the axis perpendicular to VP and the parallel to VP. So in the previous slide, I got show here. The previous slide, you have to mention the name, the axis perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. The only the HP and the VP, the name get changed. Okay, don't confusing. Is a very much important. Okay, while solving the front view of the triangular face, it's always there in HP. While solving the top view of the triangular face, it is called as a VP. That is a perpendicular to VP. This is a hint for while solving numerical problems. Okay. So we are moved to the second one, that is called as the axis perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Let's move on the second one. This is very much useful for the numerical problems. Okay. So the resting on VP. That is the any one of the base circle we have mentioned here, but any one of the corner or any one of the base edge will be lying on or touching on the XY line in a front view formation. Okay. So whatever the solid is like a circle or a triangle or a pentagon or hexagon, whatever the solid name shape will be given in the problem. So we have to construct this based on the condition. We have to draw the triangular face in a front view. Okay. So after that, you have to consider that is the axis inclined to VP and parallel to HP. So, but the previous slide we already mentioned that we have shown here. That is the axis inclined to HP and parallel to VP. That is a difference. Okay. Here the axis inclined to VP and parallel to HP. Okay. So let's move on the last topic that is called as a lying on VP. Okay. So the lying on VP, the previous slide we have shown that is a generators or a triangular phase or one of the generators. They are whatever the name will be given. That is the problem based on lying on VP. So VP is name is called as a vertical line. Okay. That is one of the one generators of lying on VP and the axis inclined to VP and parallel to HP. That is where road will be there. Okay. So these are the main cases will be there only for the primary category. So the first one is a standing VP, resting VP, lying HP, standing on HP, resting on HP, lying on HP. Okay. I want to show different position or orientation in a friendly formations. Okay. So after that, we are to discussing the top view for the given the same cases as standing on VP, resting on VP, lying on VP. Okay, will be there is different. Okay, so only these cases will be discussing in the numerical problems.